Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your account type is known Exchange or a map matters for real-time sync. Once you open Outlook, go to File, then Account Settings, and choose New or Change for the account you want to sync. Enter credentials when prompted and allow Auto-Discover to attempt configuration. If Auto-Discover fails, pick Manual Setup and prepare server details. This starts the sync process and hands control to the next configuration stage. Now you configure the complex middle steps that determine reliability. If you want multi-device parity, choose a map or exchange. POP3 will not keep folders synchronized. Enter incoming/outgoing server addresses, then set ports and SSL/TLS per provider requirements, because encryption stops sync errors and credential rejections. Subscribe only to folders you need to reduce sync load, and tweak send/receive intervals or cached mode size to balance freshness versus performance. Once done, trigger a manual send/receive to verify activity. Finish the task by validating that mail, sent items, and calendars match across devices. Make sure new messages appear and folder changes propagate within a few minutes. If sync stalls, clear the local cache or recreate the Outlook profile and restart the app. This often resolves corruption. Also confirm credentials are current and that firewall or VPN rules aren't blocking ports. One key troubleshooting tip: enable logging briefly to capture errors, then disable it to avoid excess disk use. Logs point to server or local causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.